Oh, okay. Okay, wait. I feel like I'll feel more comfortable if this is where was it, right? Back. Yeah, whatever. Don't need a move. Let's go! You don't like my controls? What's your problem with my controls? How are you going to jump? It's space. You gotta use the mouse. Oh! Camera のこと考えてなかった。大丈夫。We can do it without mouse. I just have to stop if I have to adjust it. How much time do I need to become level 28 though? Oh, then my controls change. So you go like, oh wait, camera. Yay! What was one again? Oh, that okay. Jump! Oh, thank you. Oh, thank you. Oh, いい加減な。No! ちょっとだ。Okay, now it's time. Camera. This is the worst. This is the worst Fall Guys stream I have ever seen. Okay, so this we do. I think. Okay, cut. Oh, is that not grab? Did I not? No. One is CTRLs. This dude. They wanna teach me? Hey, he has the chicken costume. Hey, chicken. チキンの衣装持って、ちょっと待って。Okay. 優しい。よし。おい、やばい。待って、いや、取らせろって、let me through. Okay. Wait, where's my buttons again? Whoa. Maybe we adjust the settings again. もう一回ちょっと挑戦しよう。めっちゃ眠かったのにまためっちゃ元気出て。めっちゃ元気出た。どうしよう。27時間ぐらい起きてんのに。寝れないやん。I'll never sleep. One thing I wanted to say that I didn't want to forget. I got some, like a lot, not a lot, but like a few people said something that my mic is shit. Which I'm confused about because actually, this is a really good mic and I probably just messed up like some settings or did them wrong because actually, Callie, the super professional rapper, gave me this mic. And it's actually a really good mic. I just don't know. I probably did something wrong with the settings. It sounds like a headset. It's a really good one. It's like an expensive blue mic. なんかマイクでなんか言われたけど